So I had a lot of people asking me why I didn't use the belly dump. Probably the biggest reason is this county road. So it's what I refer to as a BST, which is oil chips. Usually they do that about 3 times. It's super tender, especially when it's hot. And when I came in with the water wagon loaded, I'd always water it so those tandems didn't twist on it here and break it. If this gravel was cleaned off, you'd see where we kind of chunked it away, and backing up on it with a grader in the truck, it'd start to break off. I mean, you can peel this stuff up with your boot, and I just didn't want to screw the road up. Now I'll take you up the road here and show you what a John Deere tractor does to it when it's hot. So that is why I did not use the belly dump. Besides that, it wasn't that big a road. So the other weird thing is they built this road up and then they BST'd it. Oil chips. I don't even know, judging from the thickness of it, I don't even think it's a triple BST. Bacon, lettuce, and tomato. Oh, here's one. Boom. So the gophers can dig into this like sand because they used rejects to build it all up. Rejects. So let me show you, let me get out of the truck and show you what a John Deere tractor does to this stuff. So all this guy did was pull out of his fields, got a set of duals on, and that's what this is what it does to it. And I didn't want to do that. A BST is a really good economical way to oil a road. You got to have a good base, and you need to, it needs to be a triple BST, and then in a few years time you need to come through and chip seal it again. And every time you chip seal it, that's basically like a BST. You're adding more rock and more oil. So you see this green in the road, that's a gopher hole caving in. So the gophers can dig into that reject like sand, and they get under there and then it collapses. And there's places in here it has really screwed the road up. So that's my explanation of why I did not use the belly dump. I was scared to death that we were just going to tear that road to pieces and then be responsible. Because when you got all that weight on those tandems, the water tanker's quite a bit shorter than the belly, but you get a long belly dump on there and you start cranking that around, that puts a lot of twist on those axles, and I guarantee you just twist that peanut brittle asphalt right up. So that's why I did not use the belly dump. Getting ready to put the last stack on. So like I said, these came from the Boss Man Chrome Shop Mafia in Joplin. So one thing I will say about these is they put this bag over them to protect them. Does a really good job. So I gotta get silicone put in here and silicone on the pipe and set it on. Somebody sent me this, is what I'm using, pure nickel. It's like the silver stuff, it gets everywhere. Turn into
It's a deal breaker, baby, when you treat me like you do. Seems all you do these days is make me down and blue. I said it's a deal breaker, baby, when you play me for a fool.
No, it's still going. What do you think, boys? I think I got the top turned straight. Everything's parallel-ish. We're good. Jeff wins.